Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a whole month that I have not updated anything on my channel. Now the main reason was that I was producing so much of other lecture videos for my other channels, for my classrooms. Pretty much all of the university around the world has stopped the face-to-face teaching, and I've been teaching online exclusively. And the semester is finally coming to the end. Today here on April 24th, 2020. It is also a special day which this new iPhone SE is being released globally. Now this video we are going to do a unboxing experience on this new kind of old iPhone, and we will also look at some of the physical characteristics of this iPhone very briefly. Now if you want more video on this iPhone SE in terms of looking at its specs and functionality, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll do that in my next video, which is a comprehensive review on this new iPhone SE. Now without further talking, let's go to this unboxing experience. Alright, okay, so here let's first tear it open. And it's like exciting moments, right? Wow, it's so easy, it goes off right away. And here is our new 2020 iPhone SE. Well, typical design, really iPhone been out for so long now, there's nothing special about the package anymore. We have this welcome card. I believe there should be a pin somewhere. Some Apple logo stickers, okay. And let's see what's here. The pin and some quick start guide. I think by this time everybody is quite familiar with the iPhone, and really there's nothing exciting at all about this product. Now here I'm just doing a little bit chit chat. The reason that I buy an iPhone SE because is that I've been sticking with the iPhone environment for a long time, and without it I've kind of have a difficulty to function, so that's why I opt for this iPhone. Now here is where I come from. So I have a original iPhone SE released in 2016 springtime, about March and April, I don't remember exactly anymore. It's been 4 years old. I don't have a really big desire or need to use a very big screen, and that's why I have never opted for the upgrade for those newer versions, iPhone 10 or 11 and XR as well, and I've been sticking with it. Another feature that I kind of miss from those newer iPhone is the Touch ID feature here. So that's why I have been trying to stay with this iPhone that has the Touch ID. Now physically here, this is from the 2016, this is from here this year. I opt for the black versions. I really like the black versions because it is black on black rather than having a black front and a white back or a red back. So I don't like the two-tone as much, and really the black one looks a lot more sleek. Now physically they look exactly like a feels like the iPhone 8 or this form factor, like those that are familiar with the iPhone. It has been around for a long time, since basically iPhone 6. So I don't remember the year, but it has been a long time. Now having this side by side, really you can see the difference there. So the entire first versions of an iPhone SE basically is the gold fits into the screen area or the glass area. Now the screen is 4.7 inches. A lot of the complaints online say people are disappointed with having such a price point, paying at the minimum $399 in the US plus tax, and having such a small screen, and people think that an Android device in this price range would have a much bigger screen compared to this iPhone SE. Now really, depending on usage, if you watch a lot of video or you don't have other Apple devices or other tablet devices, having a bigger screen on your phone may be a necessity in a way. But on the other hand, if you have iPad or you don't use your phone as a video device, then you may not need as a big screen, just like me. Now here I have a case. It's a real bit cute case. It was marketed for iPhone 7. I'll try to show you here. Let me see. iPhone 7, so i7. So this is kind of cute, and I picked it up on eBay a couple of days ago before I ordered this phone. And then let's see if it fits just like it's advertised. I think there's no question asked in that regard really. I don't see any physical differences. Alright, let's see how neat they will fit into this case. Oh, it's kind of tight. You work it in a little bit from the corner. Alright, it fits right in. Okay, so in terms of this case, marketed for iPhone 7, it has practically no problem compatibility with your new iPhone SE. Now, other things that come with it, pretty standard. It is a cabled, okay, that looks like almost like like a wireless device, but actually it is a cabled device, okay, like a cable headphone with microphone built in. Just like those iPhone 7 and iPhone 8, you don't have that 3.5mm phone jack anymore in this generation. And your usual little bit a small 5-watt plug, and then your lightning cable. So nothing, no surprise, very standard Apple package. The device feels well, just good weight, just like the previous iPhone 8 versions. Feels exactly the same. Alright, so here this video will, like I said, it's just looking at the physical makeup of this product. And in our next video, we'll look at it functionally, okay, looking at some of the camera, speed, okay, it is the big marketing point, is using the A13 Bionic chip, that is the same chipset used in the iPhone 11 series. So, is it gonna be running as fast? Okay, so we will see it in our next comprehensive review. That is all for today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.